Here's a problem. If the character walks off the ledge, he's just going to continue to walk in midair. We don't want that. So I'm going to exit play mode, and I'm going to go to mixamo.com, and I'm going to look for a fall animation. Then I'm just going to drag that animation into our Unity folder. I'm going to make it loop. Once you're done importing, I'm going to import it into the animator. I want to create a transition from walking to fall, and the condition is going to be grounded is false. Again, get rid of the exit time, and I'm going to make the transition relatively short. And I'm going to create a new ability, and I'm going to call it General Ground Detector. Check time will be 1%, distance 0.05, and I'm going to put that ability into walking. Once I do this, now the character is going to start detecting the ground as he's walking, and if the character is not grounded, he's going to go into the fall animation. And I want the fall animation to have its own abilities as well. Again, the same ground detector. Only this time, if you detect collision with the ground, you go into the landing motion. Again, get rid of the exit time. And the condition is going to be grounded is true. Let's click play and see what happens. Looks good. I want some air control while he's falling, so I'm going to create another ability called Move Forward. And I'm going to call it Player Fall Move Forward. And of course, this is going to be different from the walk move forward. And I want the speed graph to be an increase over time, speed, maybe 2, block distance, 0.1 for now. I'm going to go into the animator, and I'm going to add that new ability into fall. Now you're going to be able to move forward a little bit as you're falling. Watch as he steps off the ledge. You can still go forward or back just a little bit. Gives you a bit of air control. I also want the same kind of ground detection from the idle position. So I'm going to make another transition from idle to fall. Again, no exit time. Adjust the transition. And the condition is going to be grounded as false. And then once you're into the falling motion, you repeat the process, landing and then back to idle. So I'm going to go to the scene view, and I'm going to have this character start off from a little higher in the air and see what happens when I click play. So immediately, if he's in the air, he goes into the falling animation, and then he lands when he touches the ground, except there was a glitch at the end of the fall. Here's a problem. Idle doesn't have the ground detecting ability. So I just got to drag it in. And let me click play again. Okay. We shouldn't have the glitch anymore. So every single one of our abilities is a combination of these simple building blocks. And the only question is, when do we switch to another ability or a state?